Pizza Chef of the Year. Some of the nice pizzas right here. So yeah, this is Roman. You're saying you make Roman style pizza?
The food characteristic, you can see the pizza, it's 72 hours maturation.
Okay.
It's special flour from Italy.
Okay.
We buy protein. And as you can see, the two characteristics are to be firm, crunchy,
Yeah, okay.
and inside you have to have this alveoli. So our time to add the enzyme to bring the protein from complex to simple. Good science.
Okay.
It's by strikes.
Okay, okay.
So we make a different kind
Uh-huh.
every day. Every day is fresh.
Okay.
Finish. Sold out. Finish.
So let's try this. He apparently trained with one of the best people in Rome, the pizzaiolo in Rome. That's where he learned the style of pizza making. So really, really good. Really liking the margherita. This is prosciutto cotto with some mushrooms. Oh, really nice. Honestly, I don't think you can go wrong with any of the pizzas here. Basically, it comes down to the kind of toppings that you like, but the dough, the crispy. Just look at how crispy. I mean, there's literally a pretty big slice. Has got a bunch of toppings on it, and there's literally no flop, zero flop on this pizza. It is delicious. That was Redipizza Pizzeria in Lasalle. Michele, really nice gentleman, great pizza. Definitely, if you're in the area, come have a slice.